What's up, Ape Shades? Hold on. Oh my god, did he really? What the heck? At 54.20. Alright, I haven't looked at anything, so let me see. How'd you end up doing yesterday? Dude, I ended up giving all my profit back. It sucked. Nice. I think I lost 105, 106. Okay, now it's time. Bro, you have to do so many clicks and stuff just to start the stream and everything else. Recording and streaming and YouTube and Tradecaster, OBS, Streamlabs, man. Now I'm set. I don't like that. 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 Nope. 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 No. 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 You think you think I'll actually let him? Who owns Twitter right now? Wow, VERU came up to a new high. Did not expect that from yesterday, all this down here. See, this is the one I lost on yesterday. Look at this. How did I lose on this? BFRI, dude, I missed a freaking trade. Dang. How does he want Twitter? Just because he's got all the money in the world and he could just buy any company just outright? Alright, gappers, I got VERU, CRXT, doesn't look the best, DLPN, and RAD, ARD. None of these look very interesting. CRXT. I like Rat a lot. The only thing is Rat has, oh, it's got a little lighter volume, but yeah, it's not bad. This one I would trade. I honestly thought BFRI was going to keep going up, or at least stay within range for today, but it didn't. The peak, dip, and curl before. Yeah, but some of these end up just squeezing the last 5 minutes of pre-market, or you have to buy the first. You have to buy the first minute or something like that of market open, which is always risky because of lagginess. But yeah, it looks good right now. So today is the last week. I mean, the last day of trading for this week. So I gotta be a little smart. I can't ruin my streak. I'm up barely this week. I didn't trade Monday. I made 500 on Tuesday, I believe, and then lost 100 yesterday. So slow day today for sure. Yeah, but that's what it looks like again. I like VERU and RAD. Hey, Wild Boy, are you over PDT? You can trade every day. Best week ever for me. Hopefully I add to it. Nice. Don't lose it though. Yeah, nice. Okay, cool, cool. What do you trade on, Wild Boy? What platform? Budget ticket person. Did I'm on Weeble, but it sucks. I have Thinkorswim too, but haven't used it lately. Okay. So let me see. What was I gonna look up? Twitter. What is Twitter's thing? Oh. So he wants to buy it higher than what it is right now? So Thinkorswim you can't short either. So if you want to short, you gotta do. I'm sure you know this. I'm just saying, you gotta do those commission brokers, which none of these guys are. Which I thought I wanted to do as well, but I kind of give up. I'm trying to go short. Yeah, but not really. Most of the these penny stocks or low cap stocks, most of them you literally can't. Or yeah, it's like you can short the large cap stocks, but not literally any of these. Oh, I didn't realize that was kind of dark, guys. Does that make a difference? A little bit. Trade Station. If you want to short, I've heard one of the best short brokers is Cobra Trading. I've heard a lot of good things about them. But I mean, if you go with them, then you have to pay commissions on everything. Trade Zero, not Trade Station. Yeah, so I would look into Cobra if you really want to short. I think they have one of the most. $320 per trade. Hey, I'm new here. What's record behind Juan Trades? $1 million profit. The heck? I don't know what you're trying to say. Yeah, look up Cobra Trading. They have a lot of the. I think it's supposed to have a lot more available shares on different stocks that other brokers wouldn't, and they have some of the shortest locate fees for going short. But then you're paying short or commissions on everything. Jason Wren. I don't know what you're trying to say, but thanks for coming in here. All right, so 30 Oh wait, yeah, 30 seconds till we open. I don't usually go for a VWAP breakout. I go for a high of day breakout or a very strong resistance on the upside. So usually I'm already above VWAP. But I've taken some VWAP trades, yes. And I don't correlate anything with the time of day. Just the later it gets, I feel like the less likely you'll see breaks. I'm watching Rad with you, Ape Trades at the open. Maybe we get a dip and rip. Ugh. Well, we were right. Did you take that trade? Nice, I missed it. We got CRXT doing some similar though. You think Rad's got another move up? So I took a dip trade there, but I flattened it out because I didn't see a further move up, but it might still get it. Okay, that's a lot of sell orders there. That sucked. I would have wanted another move, and I missed the first candle, dude. That was a good move, Ape Trades. Good job. What stock is that? RAD. Sorry, I was trying to mention it right before pre-market. I don't know if you missed it. So RAD, and the other one I was looking at was CRXT right here. But CRXT's got a way to go, and then RAD is kind of pulled back too much for me. Unless we can get another move up, but CRXT, good job, Mersa. I like how you get your entry first before you say good morning. Jason, are you new to trading, or you've been trading for a while? If you're still here watching. You bought the break of 8.7 because I knew that would bring the momentum and would be too fast to try and get in at 8.08. Nice. I still have an alert on RAD, so I am watching it, but it's on my side chart right now. I'm watching. I will take a trade on RAD if we go above 808, 809, 808, 808.5. I mean, not 808, 880 or 885, sorry. And hold that level up here. Mersa, you still holding CRXT? Look at that. There's a little breakout, VWAP breakout for you, Jason. You were calling it out. So you got to move up, breakout, hold. Red candle, hold, body, a VWAP, and then further move up. No, sir. No worries. You still got a good trade. Honestly, CRXT is kind of shocking that it's squeezing up from such a low place. That's why I wasn't really looking at it much, but here goes a RAD maybe. Candle to make a new high right here. Here's where we'll see if we really got strong sellers or buyers. If we get this break and moves up, then buyers. If it breaks and comes down or doesn't really go up much, then we got sellers. Like that. This looks like sellers. Yep. I knew that candle was going to decide it. Who knows what that means? So that sucks for RAD. How's VERU? CRXT again. Yeah. Mine didn't quite touch it, but I was thinking of adding, yeah. To blow it on. We're struggling here a little bit, and I want to get over 164. That's what I'm looking at, 164. This stock is CRXT. CRXT. Look at LEXX as well, guys. I just saw it on my momentum scanner. We might even just get halted right there. We got halted? Already? I just looked at it. Man, that sucks. LEXX. Halted. So, LEXX. I like LEXX. We just went into a halt, but this looks pretty good so far. CRXT is still moving, going up to that 164 level. Oh, VERU? Did VERU just squeeze? Yeah, it did. VERU, guys, maybe? Wait to see confirmation on one of these. There's no way you don't hit a new high after getting that candle. This is kind of surprising. And then Elia XX halted at 838, so I will be looking at that one back in 5 minutes. Alright, so we're getting good. CRXT is coming back. Hey, what's up, Teshver? If you're trading today, we're looking at VERU, CRXT, and LEXX, which is halted. Yeah, that's why I said wait on this one. I mean, it's fine. I'm not saying you did wrong, but hey, what's up, Joey? Welcome in. What's up, Teshver? Is this your first time in my stream? I don't know that I've recognized your name. And if I And if it's not and you've messaged before, that's my fault. Yeah, VRU just dumps, dude. That sucks. That one should have squeezed through a new high. That is not good. Which kind of makes me a little nervous, every time I say that on, oh, my bad. When I looked at the name, it looked familiar, but when I said it out loud, it didn't. I was like, I don't remember saying that. Sorry, man. My bad. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, now I'm getting to the point where people are DMing me and asking me, and then TikTok a bunch of names that I look up and people commenting, so I apologize. Bear took my gains as well, but still slightly green, thankfully. Dang. Sorry about that, guys. Got both of you. I was hesitant about getting in on that one, and I didn't. But I'm still gonna look at LEXX. I'm kind of scared now. Usually when you see that big rejection on other stocks, I feel like sympathy plays happen on other stocks. So I have a feeling this one might. But we're live. Nowhere to enter. Still watching LEXX. We got the resistance where I pinged it earlier from pre-market. We're gonna break it here. Yep. I want I want this candle to hold that and then a bounce on the next candle. So I want this candle above it about 4-5, which is struggling. Did you get on that VWAP bounce? So look for a bounce here. This candle needs to close right there. Come on. 5 seconds. That's all market orders, dude. Wow. Lost 700 on that. So now I'm red with you guys. First trade wasn't my fault. Second trade was my fault. Bad trade. Lost 250 on there. Damn, market is getting all of us. But to gain quick gains. ATR. I saw you call it out, sorry. What's our target? 664. Okay, okay, okay. Can we get some money back? Is on the climb. We are on the climb. I still want red or LEXX again. And VRU is still halted down there, dude. Did you get in early on ATR, Joey? That's how we do it, baby. I don't care if I lose money, I come back. So I made 450 on that quick move on ATR right there. So we're all Gucci. So those lines I seen, did you just click a button to get them in? Oh, on Thinkorswim, you got the middle scroll wheel. Oh, look at Rad, guys. And Elliot, oh no, look at Rad. Rad is making a move. I would take a VWAP bounce right here. No, don't squeeze without a bounce, dude. Are you asking for my were you asking for my red resistance lines? How I pinged them real quick? So I'm in on this VWAP bounce right here on RAD. I'm gonna hold this a little bit longer. I'm gonna try to. Currently up 100 on it, 150. I saw 200 flash at one point. I took some out there. I don't know how much I was up on this stock before this trade, but so far it's working in my favor. It's not really squeezing. Took out 500 there, and I'm gonna keep 500 just in case the stock squeezes out of nowhere right back up to highs. I put a stop loss above break even. Did anybody get in on that one? I said something the other day, but yeah. It looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. So, okay, I'll answer one question at a time. So, Wild Boy, you were asking about the lines, right? My resistances. Are you on Thinkorswim? If you're on Thinkorswim, the way I put them, you hit your middle scroll wheel, and then the one under the mouse is a diagonal one, so you click it and you can put it anywhere you want like that. And the little dollar sign is a price level, so that'll be a horizontal line. So you could see right here, I'm at 847 on the side. You see it? So you double tap, and then it'll put a horizontal line for you. Those are really the only two I like. Does that explain your question? Is that what you're asking? Or you're asking why did I put them at certain places? Oh, no, I'm just fast with my buttons real quick, so you'll see me do this real quick. So it's pretty fast. And then for Teshfair, how much do you put in on CRXT, for example? CRXT is a lower price stock. I would have bought in with 10,000 shares or something like that. So 10,000 times 150. So let's do. I'm up 269 on this one and up. Oh, ATR kept moving. Which one's the one that took my money? 767. So I'm negative like $40 now. So ATR still looks good. I don't know if there's any hotkeys on Weeble that you can like obviously just click the button and it puts the horizontal wherever your mouse is, because I know other platforms do, but Thinkorswim doesn't. But it doesn't take me long to do it, so I don't really care about that. What bothers me is on Thinkorswim I can't set hotkeys to specific share sizes. So I can't have like Shift D and then buy 2000 and then Shift W and buy 4000. I have to manually click the buttons up here, which you also can't really customize. You can only change the increments, which I figured out how to do, Ape Traits. Eyes on CRXT. Everybody, eyes on CRXT. Let's do this. What's all-time highs? 176. So where is my other chart? I'm gonna take Veer off my side chart because so I like CRXT is it's decent, but I'm liking either Rad for a good squeeze, or you got ATR possibly gonna squeeze everybody out and back up to whatever that is, 6 something. 664. So it's funny how I marked that resistance of 164 on CRXT right earlier, and it went right up to that one and bounced back. So good trade on there. God, my fingers are cold. is is Alec in here? He's the one that like mentioned the first time. I was like, you in Texas, dude. I swear to God, I'm not high, Mom. Lex took my money, but are you done? I said I was cold and I immediately thought of you. You're probably frozen over there. What's goddamn? You took any trades today, Alec? Got in on VRU. Dang. VRU is taking everybody's money today. If you lost money on it, if you made money on it, cool. You took Mersa's money and Ape's money. Lex is still trying again. Back looking at Rad. Wow. This can't squeeze, so I'm gonna stop out right there. I saw a lot of buy orders come through and the stock was not moving. CRXT now, right? A little bit. There's a move on red, I'm in. Come on, don't do me wrong. Oh, as soon as I said it, dude. Come on, I can't catch a runner lately. All of my runners are getting stopped out immediately. So I made a little money on that. I couldn't really call it out, but you made money filled me really low for some reason at 13.31. Wouldn't execute my limit orders, so I just dumped out with market order, and of course it sold me at some ridiculous low price. I'm just going to short DAL for a little profit today. Adler's taking a dive now. Yep. Yeah, that's one thing I don't like about market orders. I had a pretty bad fill today. Actually, on LEX, my first trade, that's the one I said it was out of my control on the first one. The second one was my fault. So I got in here, somewhere in here, and I pulled out right there, and should have been a break-even trade. It should have been a break-even trade, and or a slight loss, but it took me out a little lower and lost like 250 on that first trade. Brad, yeah, but Rad is being shorted pretty good, or at least is strong. So I tried it a couple times and my runners got stopped out. So it's not really getting momentum to break out. LEX is though trying. This one doesn't look as bad anymore. It doesn't seem like it's being rejected fast. 10 seconds till this candle closes. If it closes up here and next one gives a dip up. Alright, Mercer, thanks for coming in here. You have a good weekend too, man. Wow. I almost bought that dip. It's gonna haul down or something. Something stupid like that. What are you guys watching still? My momentum scanner picked up like 2 or 3 decent stocks, but they're not anything with good volume and breakouts either, so I didn't really touch those. There goes CRXT. Break of 164 on CRXT maybe. This candle's got pretty good volume, but now sellers are coming in. Yeah. Made a little bit more. Oh, CRXC now. Now that is volume coming in and buyers coming in. We got the 164 break. If we can break that, I could definitely see us squeezing to 175, 176. Here we go. Hold this, keep buying. Get over that 164. Get over 164. Whoa. Let's get in here a tiny bit. Let's get in here with a tiny bit. Is that a tiny bit? $150 right there? Is that a tiny bit? Well, I spoke too soon. $70. Did y'all get in on that one? CRXT is still trying to hold the body of that candle 164. But I'm also watching ATR still on the side. I need ATR. If ATR keeps right at this rally, I could do something good above 6.4, 6.5, 6.6. Who said earlier? Teshfair, are you still here? So, Teshfair, if you're still here, let me know. Rad has like 1, 2, 3. Here we go on CRXT. Rad made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red candles in a row. I still like CRXC. Oh, ATR, guys. I'd rather take ATR for a trade. Over 625. Didn't really squeeze like I wanted to. I might just do it now though. Now. Alright, how's everybody doing? I think we've got almost 30-40 minutes of trading. What are you at, guys? Let me do the math for myself. I started with a pretty big loss, but I think I might be green on the day now, so let's see. I can't believe that. I was down like $780 and I stayed calm, and I'm almost up $200 total. Did I have a clean trade today at all or anything like that? I know I'm recording, but I don't know that I got one clean trade to upload on TikTok. I feel like I haven't uploaded to TikTok in a bit. Okay, I need to do something with this. CRXT just failed. Fastly came on my scanners, and I feel so bad for people that held stocks like this one. Oh yeah, you mentioned DAL. Let me look at it. Sorry about that. Oh wow. Why'd you go short? And where did you short? Did you short because of this? I just drew this line. And we're right there on DAL, Delta Airlines. Oh, look, you short at the peak of this uptrend. right there. 42. Would you say 60? 42.60. It's okay, like 42.80, right? Yeah. Unloaded at 42.20. Nice. How many shares did you have? Oh, ATER, big old dump. Look at this. Seems like that might be our cue. Hey, what's up, Justin? I remember you. Did you get your account set up? I don't see anything else on today, guys. You got any questions for me to answer? Somehow I ended up green again, even with a almost $800 loss. So a good trade, good day. Could have been a good day. Could have been $1,000 day, but one bad trade. And now I'm so high. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to day trade shares and not options because TD won't approve me for regular calls and puts, but approved me for cover calls. Yeah, when you open an account, you have to say that you're experienced and you've done it or something like that. But you should be able to apply now, and they should approve you unless you. I don't see why they wouldn't approve you. Now, I think you can only do certain at a time. Like once you got approved, because I think there's 2 or 3 levels of options. Um, and you can jump in on the first level, and then after that, you have to wait a certain amount of time for them to approve you for the next one. So it takes a little bit. I don't think they can approve you all through all of them right away. No, so I scalped it twice at 42.50, then grabbed one more at 42.60. Pushed up a little, almost hit my stop, but I know it gets shorted. I used to go long on them when they were hot stocks, and it always has that up movement. So if you can hold, you can make something there either direction. Nice. That is a good thing about getting familiar with one stock. You know how they trade, and you know where and how they will bounce. So. You misspelled it again. ATR looks like it's done. CRXT looks like it's done. See, this is, if I could go short, this is where you'd go short. You see this big candle just drop, right? And you see it goes straight to VWAP. It's the same thing if you're moving up like here. You see a big candle, you consolidate and you move up. You see a big short, you consolidate tiny bit right before VWAP and you go short right there. Sometimes shorts look more obvious to me, and I feel like shorts would probably give me more runners. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that I need to change how many years of experience I have, but it said I can change it for 60 days. I can't change it for 60. People see price targets, but analysts and thinks it means something a lot of times. That's why I like to short. Yeah, analysts have no idea what they say. And a lot of times they say that it's because they're back holding a stock that they need a quick bounce or something like that. Or the opposite, they like have puts or something like that, or sold a lot of their stock and they're like, dude, this company sucks, and then they tank and then they rebuy. It's all BS. But I feel like going in short on some of these penny stocks or something like that, if you can, they would probably fade more and your runners would definitely be bigger. Like, I'm trying to find one. Well, for one, BFR, oh no, it didn't. I can't find one now, obviously. Where's Twitter at? Elon Musk gonna buy Twitter? BRQS. Ooh, that's a 25-cent stock. I think I'm losing my mind. But you are right. This looks like a good setup so far. So market resistance real quick at 25. I guess it goes by extra pennies. So 25.05.04, and then back up at 26 almost. The high of day pre-market. See what this candle does. I guess it opened. Yeah, yeah. I mean, this looks good. It's you got a break of downtrend there. Move up. Pre-market high, pretty close. Only problem I see is you got a 180 chart right here where everything is still downtrending. You're not out of any type of break. If anything, you're right up to it, so you could squeeze a little bit. But other than that, sellers are taking control of every little spike it's had. It's not like, let me show you. It's not like this. See, you still, I mean, I guess you got there, but earlier the move you were looking at on the other one was down here. There, there, here, 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 and finally you make a higher high. Oh, right there, and that's where you get a breakout, which the other chart did not have. Hold on. When you sell market, does it execute on your ask price you see? Because I don't know if I want to use Thinkorswim if it executes like the prices it does for delayed quotes. But doubt it does. So, Alec, I only use market orders. I don't know if it fills on the ask or the bid. Probably the ask more often, but it's just gonna fill you wherever. So at that point, if it drops a little bit or it goes up a little, it'll fill you there. What I've noticed with Thinkorswim is you can time the way that candles move sometimes, and like you just have to get the experience of trading with it. So, for example, like this candle, you'd be able to time it to where like it's bouncing here. You know the second it'll break down, but it pops down. You can click it, and you can get a lower fill sometimes. Same with these moves that where you squeeze up and then you get that second move down real quick. That's my favorite type of trades. You can time it, and it fills you in instantly. So if you time them right, whatever the stock is at, 99% of the times you'll get filled right there and then. Sometimes if there's not enough volume in the stock, which most of these don't, once you click that buy button, it'll be a lag. So that candle will say like the candle's like going like this, and it dips down and you click buy. Sometimes that candle will come back up and then it'll fill you. And same thing for the other way. Like if it's going up and it pops up and you click sell and you try to sell it at the peak, it might drop down a little bit and fill you lower, which happens, but you also get it the other way around. There's times where I'm like here and I click buy and the stock drops down, buys me in, and it comes right back up, or it's like happens more often when I'm selling. ATR's coming back. When I'm selling, I'll be like here and I'll time it. I'll click sell and it jumps up a little bit and it sells me there. So it's not really like it's gonna fill you in at the bid or the ask. I think it's just timing it based off the candles. So I don't know exactly which fill is giving you, but ATR is getting another squeeze. So for example, here, watch right there. I would time it and then click it right there. See, did you see that? Did you see how that as soon as I said there, that candle spiked down a tiny bit? Okay, can this be my runner? Han Chase thinking of buying Neo on a long-term investment. What do you think a good price to buy? Why? Personally, Jerry, I like MULN for long-term investment. Look into the company. Neo is at a good price right now, but I could see more long-term. Oh, come on, dude. I was hoping not to look at it so then I wouldn't get pressure to sell it, so I was trying to avoid it. But all my runners are getting stopped out today. Neo is at a good price right now, but I could see more long-term profit with Mullen because it's so low. I don't know what MULN is. I know I've traded it and I recognize the ticker, but I don't know what kind of company they are. Is it same electric car or anything like that? Yeah, automotive. Wow, I don't like the chart though. That looks kind of iffy. So as far as Neo, I'm holding some Neo long term in my other. Oh, actually, it's on this account, but I'm fixing to open another account just for day trading because sometimes it messes up with everything. But I don't know. I'd like to think that Neo's gonna keep doing good or do good in the future, especially with everything else trying to go electric. So I wouldn't say it's a bad investment, but that's also because I'm bag holding some of it. I think I made a little bit more money right there on ATER, so I might be up over $200 now. I sold some of it at the top, but I had my runner that got stopped out, but I think I still had it above break even, so I think I made a little bit on that one again. I'm spraying him. He's drinking off the leaves. I forgot to put the little water in the at the top where it drips, and he's trying to drink some water. Fun fact, if you didn't know, chameleons don't drink water off a standing bowl. They don't recognize it, so they have to see. They have to have a system of dripping or a mister. Alright, so 580, 26 plus CRXT plus 69.95, oh 85 plus 333.45 minus 767. Yep, 220 bucks. Had to work for it today, but 220 bucks, I'll take that. Now, I might actually walk away with this. Yesterday I was up $400. I'm sure most of you guys saw 400 and something, and I didn't walk away, and I ended up losing it. And actually, I got it back because I lost it on ATER, so I got revenge today. I lost somehow Mersa and I think Mersa's gone today. He was frustrated about the volume. But we had this trade here that we both called it out and we both missed it. Look at that. Perfect downtrend break retest. We left that alone. I jumped in, of course, at the extended move right there. I lost there. I had a little bit of a bad fill there, and then I made a tiny back there. But bro, my chameleon is growing. This guy's a beast. He was tiny when I first got him. Hey, Wild Boy, thanks for helping him out and all you guys and stuff. That's why I like starting this. I'm not making money off you guys. You're just sharing knowledge, watching me trade. I get to talk to you guys. You get to watch me. You get to ask questions. I like this. Y'all liking my live streams? Is it hard to follow when I call out certain stocks? Like are y'all actually making money from watching me sometimes, or kind of more like a distraction or something like that? Check out their batteries too, pretty impressive. I need my let me see. What's it called? So I've been trying to post more on YouTube, guys. I feel like TikTok is getting me a lot of views, which is where probably 99% of you guys came from. But it's getting me a lot of views and a lot of exposure, but not really people interested on trading or like complete beginners that are like, dude, teaching me how to start. Like I don't have time to teach you from the beginning, right? So I think YouTube might get me more people that are actually already into trading or actually actively trying to learn how to day trade. So I'm obviously doing all this for you guys for free and answering any questions. You know, you have my Discord, you can answer anytime, streaming for free. So if you see a YouTube video that I post every once in a while, make sure to like it, comment, or at least watch most of it so the algorithm keeps posting it more for other people. And same goes for TikTok. I haven't posted because I haven't had a clean trade or anything like that, but just like it, comment, or anything like that. Appreciate it. And like I said, I hope y'all are liking my live streams. If you ever need something like you think I can fix on it, maybe change the layout or better mic, camera, or anything, I don't know how it looks on the other side. So you guys let me know. So let's go ahead and do this. No, it was actually cold. I was complaining earlier that my fingers were cold. I gotta wear my hoodie again. I was about to say maybe my hoodie is my good luck charm, but I made money today, so. ATR is still trading sideways, so I'd keep watching ATR, guys. If you're one of those that trade all day or still got more time, I would keep watching ATR. Do you trade full time, Wild Boy, or do you work a job as well? Like both. You just trade full time? Nice. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head out too. I think 200 for today is decent. Not a good trading day, but green is always good. Looking for ATR to dip into 577. You're taking that double bottom almost. You own a business, but you shut it down pretty much for the last 3 months. What kind of business? And why did you shut it down? It just wasn't profitable, or you just didn't want any more? COVID, I don't know. Selling, nice. Well, that's cool. Yeah, I hate jobs, dude. I still work my other job where I go in later in the day, but honestly, I don't want to anymore. The only reason I'm doing this because my wife doesn't work. She's in medical school, and I told her that I would keep working until she works, and the second she works, I will go ITR squeezing. I will stay home and watch the kids, take the dogs for a walk. Okay, I am so tempted to take this trade, but I already imported my trades, and this is exactly what happened yesterday. Exactly with ATER as well, so I'm gonna leave this one alone. Really, dude. Just missed 20 cents right there. I sent all the work to my old man as of now to keep the business going in case I want to go back to. Yeah, that's always good. You have something to fall back to if you need it. I do want to make this. I mean, I'm already making decent money day trading, but I want to do more with it. Not just for the money, but just to have my own brand and my own business out of it. But so, let me show you guys. So today, here it is. Here's my profit today. I was up, I went down, and then finished at 200. And there's yesterday's. I was up 400 and finished negative 100. So, oh yeah, I bet. Oh, sweet. Yeah, let me know about that, cause that's what I need. Were you here yesterday when I was talking about branding and stuff like that?